Welcome. In this e-learning module, I shall demonstrate and make you understand how to check clash for all parts of the press tool in Catia v5. Clash is nothing but interference between the parts. If a clash exists between parts during the design, the parts will clash in the actual assembly. You might not even be able to assemble the parts with clash. Now let me demonstrate the clash check. Click on the Check Clash command. Select Contact plus Clash for the type. And then select between all components. Click on Apply. Observe the contact and clash are listed. Observe the results. There are 29 clash and 110 clearances in the press tool. Product 1 and Product 2 indicate the parts between which contact or a clash exists. The type lists whether there is a contact or a clash between Product 1 and Product 2. Observe the item number 1 is a contact between the strip and the die plate. Yes, the strip always sits on the die plate. There is nothing to worry about this contact. Observe the item number 2 is a contact between the strip and the rear strip guide plate. Yes, the strip always touches the rear strip guide plate. There is nothing to worry about this contact. Similarly, we can check each item, one by one. Observe the clash between the strip pusher and the strip. Remember, we had designed this clash intentionally. We can filter only the clash items by selecting Clash in the filter list. Now only the clash items are listed. Observe the clash between the shoulder bolt and the die plate. The clash between the screw and the thread is expected due to the thread engagement. There is nothing to worry about this clash. Similarly, you can observe the clash between the screws and the plates to which the screws are applied. It is essential to check each clash. Observe the clash between the locator pin and the stripper plate. This clash is critical. This clash must be removed. Let's make a note of it. Remove clash between the locator pin and the stripper plate. Let's continue with the clash check. Observe the clash between the lifting hook and the stroke end block. This clash is critical. This clash must be removed. Let's make a note of it. Remove the clash between the stroke end block and the lifting hook. Let's continue with the clash check. No more critical clashes found. With this, we have successfully learned how to check clash for all parts of the press tool in Catia v5. That's all in this e-learning module. Thanks.